Good day, everyone. I don't know how this is going to work out, but I thought I'd make a video out of it. So, been sorting out my chains this morning, and these are all the copper coins. Well, they're not all copper. Some of them copper coated steel. Oh, I missed one there, look. So as you can see, there's quite a lot. So my plan is to get a magnet, one of my fishing magnets, and lift all the copper coins out. Don't know if this will work. First time experimenting. So I got an old t-shirt and I put my one of my magnets inside it. And hopefully I could pick them up and use the magnet, use the t-shirt to get them off the magnet. So let's see how it goes. See them, they're all steel. So we'll drop them on there. We'll get the magnet and we'll pull it off. This might go terribly wrong, but at least I'm having fun. So they're all steel coins. Oh, sticking to the umbrella. So let's go again. As you can see, not all steel, some are dropping off. Oh, look at that. That's just ridiculous. That's because copper's so expensive now to use. Oh shit. Alright then, t-shirt's ripped. We'll just have to do it like this. Maybe the magnet's a bit too strong. And this is a small magnet as well. Like I say, it's an experiment. If I get all the steel ones out, it'll make it easier to look for a 1983 2 pence, which is quite a rare coin. And that's the only one I'll be looking for out of all the 2p's. All the rest of it back to the bank. Enough to struggle to get off, I tell you that much. You don't need to go close. Look, see him dancing. We'll do a few at a time. You've never seen a video like this before on YouTube, have you? I'll tell you that for a fact. Flying bullets. That's what they're like. Flying coins. Oh. Yeah, maybe I should have used a less powerful magnet. I'll just do a few at a time. Yeah, a few at a time, better. And I think I'll leave you on that one. I think you've seen enough. Of the flying coins. Take care now. All the best.